And then I'm go ahead and using on this end. Oh, where I'm at. Right.
Very nice.
That's good. All right, so this is how a lot of cute centerpieces and the metals. I'm gonna go ahead and do a really quick check. If you're scratchy right here, you're gonna squeeze just a little bit. That's all you need. You don't need a whole lot. Little go a long way, but you feel like it's catching on anything, you make sure that they are sealing on any gap and the edges. And I'm gonna seal all on the metals part right here. You see every single metal parts. And I'm not using with this needle end because it's going really precise for me without touching any other crystals. So I'm gonna seal them all because they are not only it keep all of the crystal and charms and stay on the designs, also it will prevent this metal part from getting tarnished. So I'm gonna go, and I still going along with the edges of the frame, but I'm not touching like a crystal right here. You can see a little beautiful crystal there. And I'm gonna seal this frame and then work around with the crystal. You don't want to cover up all the crystal at all because you want to keep really nice and beautiful in the size of it. And then also you can repeat this step as you go along where you feel like it's still catching on the hair or the clothes. You can definitely seal it again. Make sure you flash here for 30 seconds before you do it again. Good. Here you go.